Hello loves, how are you guys doing today? Is Ada's recipe here. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you on how to make this delicious chicken sauce with vegetables. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you've been looking for something quick and healthy, this is a recipe you would want to make. You and your family is going to love and enjoy this recipe. Continue watching as I share. So here I have chicken breast, well washed, then different kinds of pepper. As you guys can see, you can use any pepper you want. Then put the chicken in a pot, add some onion, seasoning cube, salt, curry powder, grated nutmeg, rosemary spice. So you can customize it, like add any spice of choice, right? Then stir and cover and leave for 10 minutes. So once it's 10 minutes, add some pepper and water enough to cook the sauce. So leave to boil. Once it boils, add your thickener. This thickener is a mixture of flour and water. Then give it a stir, and as you guys can see, it has become thick. Add some vegetable oil. So you can choose to prepare this delicious recipe in different methods. Okay, so this is my method, guys. So add some seasoning cube, then salt if need be. Give it a stir. Add cut carrots. Add pepper. This is the bell pepper, the green and red bell pepper. Add some dark soy sauce. It's optional, guys. So give this a good mix. Then you cover and leave to boil. So once it boils, remove from heat. It is ready, guys. As you guys can see, this is looking good and it was so yummy. So if you've been looking for something quick and healthy, this chicken sauce is what you want to make, and your family is going to enjoy this. It was easy to come up with. So make sure you try this out. Check the ingredients in the description. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.